In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Do Not Disturb in Gmail. If you ever need quiet time to focus without chat pings interrupting you, this quick setup will help. Do Not Disturb in Gmail controls Google Chat and Spaces notifications inside Gmail, so you can keep working without being pulled into new messages. Your emails will still arrive as usual, but chat alerts will pause based on the settings you choose. First, open Gmail in your browser and sign in to your account. Give the page a moment to load fully so all the side panels appear. Will work entirely within Gmail. No extra tools or downloads required. Next, look to the left sidebar for the chat section. This is where your recent conversations and Spaces live. If your sidebar is narrow, you may need to hover to expand it or scroll to see the chat label. Click Chat to make sure the panel is active so the status controls are easy to find. Now move your eyes to the top right area of the Gmail window. You should see your current status, typically labeled Active, with a small green dot. This indicator shows others whether you're available. Click that active status to open the status menu. If you don't immediately see it, look near your profile area. Gmail places it close to where presence and quick settings live. In the menu that appears, choose Do Not Disturb. The moment you select it, Gmail switches your chat presence to DND, which pauses chat notifications so you won't get sound or banner interruptions from Google Chat in Gmail. People can still message you, and you'll see those messages when you return, but you won't be notified while DND is active. To make this truly work-friendly, set a schedule that fits your routine. In the same menu, look for options to choose how long DND stays on, or to create a notification schedule. You can pick a fixed duration, like a specific number of minutes or hours, or define custom hours on certain days, such as weekdays during your deep work blocks. Set your start and end times, then select the days that apply. This way, Do Not Disturb turns on automatically when you want focus time and lifts when you're available again, so you never have to remember to toggle it. That's it. With Do Not Disturb activated and your schedule set, you'll reclaim your attention and keep your day on track. If your availability changes, you can return to this same status menu anytime and adjust it.